is a wad of 50,000 notes. We're on our way to the Borei Angkor Resort and Spa. It was a beautiful facility and the people were so friendly and the service was impeccable. Our room was really comfortable. It overlooked the pool and again, cleaned every day. Lovely. So this is just a super pretty hotel. Outside over there, They had fresh fruit, they had an American breakfast, they had make your own omelets, they had pastries, fruit, Cambodian food for breakfast. It was just an incredible spread. I'll get it. Grab it for me, would you? We're up here on the second floor of the hotel. Got it.
More expensive.
And that's the club. And now we have another stick.
Hello.
Oh, we're having fun here. This is here. Lauren, where's Eileen? The downtown market had all sorts of things: hardware, clothing, jewelry, food, and just about anything you wanted, it was available here. Yeah, the little Angkor Wat thing.
How are we gonna not get lost in here?
We won't. There are a lot of temples in Siem Reap, so you have your choice of which ones to go to. They're all interesting. So we're on our way to Tonle Sap, or Great Lake. It's the largest freshwater lake in Southeast Asia. It's kind of a big deal. The waters from the Mekong River fill up this lake and it over doubles its size during the rainy season. And then in the dry season, it reverses the flow of the river and drains the lake. You're gonna wanna read your own kind of reports on this. Some people like it, some people really didn't, but it was interesting.
Take us. Where is he going to throw it off this rickety old boat? David did it. Right away.
I think it probably will, and I'm sure. It was a little nerve-wracking flying my drone as there was really no place to land it. I took it off out of the bow of the boat, and you can see I'm trying to land it the same way, thanks to David for catching it and bringing it inside the boat. These were really unique houses in that they weren't built on stilts like the other ones that you saw, but were really just built on barrels. So they would float up and down as the altitude or the elevation of the lake would go up and down. And so it was really unique. They survive on fishing. They just fish every day.
Lots of fish. David, what is that? There's a fish restaurant.
See what? David, stop at the 7-Eleven.
We were taking on a little extra water on our boat.
Right there, boy. Turn around.
This was the beginning of the water festival. We had to leave the following day, so we missed the boat races and some of the other activities. But this was the carnival atmosphere. They had lots of foods and shops and games and floats along the river. So if you're heading there, you may want to check out the date. It was pretty interesting.